Yan, may tatanungin ako. Kung ano yung sasabihin kong word, gagawan mo ng meaning na title ng kanta. Okay?
Oo.
Okay, okay. Yeah, game. Test paper.
Blank space.
I've got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.
School.
See you again.
Kagandahan.
Invisible.
Pangit.
Love yourself.
Otot.
Let it go.
Tumatae.
Till this moment.
Ibawat. Flat-chested.
Shape of you.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with
Show me what there's more to do.